Hi, I am Lakshay Chaudhary, a mechanical engineering student from KIET deemed to be university, and currently I am doing internship at Lal Metal Forge Pvt Limited, where I am getting hands-on exposure to real industrial manufacturing. What truly makes KIET different for me is the kind of industrial exposure we get alongside academics. We didn't just study manufacturing in classrooms, we actually saw it happening on the shop floor. From visiting BHEL Haridwar, where massive power equipment is built, to JSW Forge Pvt Limited, where we understand real-world forging, heat treatment and quality inspection processes. At LPS Bossard, we learned even a single fastener plays a critical role in meeting global engineering standards. Our visit to ICAT Manesar showed us how vehicles are tested, certified and made road ready. And at WIKA, we explored how industrial sensors and instrumentation work in real-time applications. All these visits helped me connect theory with reality and give me clarity about the industrial exposure. That's what KIET gives us: practical exposure, confidence, industry-ready learning, and proud to be a KIETian.